Hi guys! Welcome to my vlog. So today I will be sharing with you my personal experience sa pag-apply sa LingoStar. Yeah, actually guys, it's very easy to apply here. The steps are very easy to take and there will be no interviews from my experience, walang interview na naganap but I was tasked to do a demo. Yeah, so I did. And actually, guys, yung materials pala sa demo is, sa akin is provided by the company. Pero yung iba sa mga napanood ko na teachers, hindi raw. Kailangan daw pumili ng own material. But for me, as for my experience, meron talagang material. So, yeah, that's it. So, paano nga ba mag-apply sa LingoStar? Okay, so here's the first step that you should do is, so what you're going to do is just search here LingoStar application, and then here you're going to click here, and then after that you just have to fill out here. So, yung email mo. Okay, take for instance. Okay, try lang yan. And then, you have to fill this out too. Then, sign up. Pagkatapos mo mag-sign up, actually, okay, tingnan natin. Okay, take for instance yan. So, makakatanggap ako ng code dito sa aking email. Here, I already have my verification code, so I just have to like put it here. Okay, and then your password, your desired password. Then after that, by sign up ka na. Okay, for instance, yun na lang. Okay, sign up. Oh, you should click this also. Terms of service, sign up. Okay, yung password ko pala. So, make sure yung password nyo is malakas. Okay, so after that, okay, you will have to, okay, fill this out too, upload your picture, then anong gender nyo, full name, then number nyo, nationality, and all. So you have to fill this out. Okay, after that, pag nakasubmit ka na, you will proceed to the second step, which is the device test. Here. Okay, after that, okay, sa device test pala is make sure that your device is at least Core i5 para qualified siya. Okay, and then pwede naman yung AMOLED. Actually, my device is, here is the spec of my device. Guys, so ito siya. Okay, here it is. So, Ryzen 7 na siya. And then, kung sa inyo is Intel Core i5, okay naman siya. But, you should have at least 8 gigabytes of space storage. Yes. So, dapat ganun. And then, pag nakapasa ka na sa device test, you will have to do your demo video. Yes, so actually sa akin, I just record my demonstration video. Yung yung materials pala is provided, as what I've said, is provided by LingoStar. In-email lang nila sa akin yung material. So, I already have the material and then I just opened the PowerPoint. Yes. So, I just opened it here. Meron pa naman ata. Dito pa naman ata ito. So, here. You have sent it to me. Ito yung demo lesson na binigyan nila. So, I just did this demonstration video, recorded it here, and then after that, I send ko na dito rin sa website, isa-send yung demo video. Yes, and then after that, they will, the HR, I guess, will review your demo video. And if may mga points or some parts ka na kailangan i-improve is kalina lamang i-enumerate yon and then you will have to redo your demonstration video. Yes. And then after that is magte-training ka na. Okay? After your training, after your demonstration video, I mean, is that magte-training ka na on your own. Yes. So, Lingo Star. Okay. So here, oops. So, nababalik talaga ako sa, ano, okay. Okay, I'll just have to log in, I guess. Okay, so here, actually, I'll just, I guess I just have to log this out. Okay, and then yeah. So here, hindi ko pa na-verify yung number ko. It's because I don't have a signal here in my place. Yes. So here sa training, so you just have to, actually sa training, they will give you a course ba yun? So, I don't know if anong topic ang ibibigay sa inyo, but as for me, ang binigay na topic is same then yung ito sa Magpie. So, practice lang. And then, you'll have to do it. And then, yeah, yun lang. You'll have to practice. And then, after that, okay na. Mag-i-email sila sa, mag-message sila sa'yo na take for instance, if okay na, is okay na yung training, okay na rin yung mga info mo, wala nang need i-edit, is yung contract signing na. So, you will have to read the contract and, of course, understand it. Tapos, you will also have to sign it, of course. Yes. So, ganun lang siya kadali. Congratulations! Yay! I guess, pwede ka nang mag-open ng slots. As for me, after kong mag-sign ng contract and yung mga task, meron pa palang tasks. Actually, 3 lang yung task. You'll have to complete your profile. And then, ang second one is you will have to watch the videos para sa background mo sa pag-teach and then how to teach also. And then sa last one is you will have to read the policy as well as the frequently asked questions. And then after that, you will have to answer a 12-item test about lang din naman sa frequently asked questions and policies. Then, pagkatapos nun, you're good to go. You can open slots. Of course, before ka mag-open ng slot, you will have to review the peak hours, right? Kasi naman, kung hindi ka mag-open ng slot sa peak hours, is the possibility is maaaring konti lamang yung student mo. students mo na magbo-book sa'yo since dito pala sa LingoStar, it's a booking system. So, of course, you will have to really open slots on the peak hours para naman ikaw ay magpili ng student na maibook. Yes. But of course, guys, para sa akin I suggest that when opening a slot, do not just open one slot a day or one slot or 5 slots a week. Actually, dapat mag-open ka ng recurring slots, which means kung ano yung schedule mo this week na inopen mo na yung slot, take for instance, 9 a.m. to, let's say, 5:30 p.m. yung inopen mo na slot. So, dapat, if gusto mo lang mag-teach is weekdays, dapat open yung slots na yun, hindi lang ngayong week, kundi next week, and then the following week, and then sa mga susunod rin na week, okay? Para naman makakuha ka rin ng regular students. Yes. Ano pa ba? After that, you will have to, I guess, invest also in having yourself grow individually, like taking trainings. Pwede ka namang mag-practice rin sa site ng LingoStar. Meron naman yung mga courses na kagaya ng pinakita ko kanina. There are courses here and there are also training. So you can check it out once naka-open ka na sa kanilang website. Once approved ka na. Yes. I guess that's it. So if you have questions, kindly put it down below in the comment section and I will gladly answer your questions to guide you as well. And also, I will put the link in the description box so that you can click it if gusto nung mag-apply here sa Lingostar. Yes, and you can also message me if you want to ask more questions. Yes. All right. I guess that's all. So don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell down below to get notified on my future videos. Bye bye!